Withdrawing from your Etrade Roth IRA can seem daunting, but it is a straightforward process once you understand the steps. First, log into your Etrade account and navigate to the Accounts section. From there, select your Roth IRA account. Make sure to review your account balance and transaction history to ensure that you are ready to make a withdrawal. Next, find the option for withdrawing funds. You should see a Withdraw button or link. Click on that, and you will be prompted to specify the amount you wish to withdraw. Remember that under IRS rules, you can withdraw your contributions at any time without penalties or taxes. However, if you're withdrawing earnings, you must meet certain conditions to avoid penalties, so it is crucial to understand your situation. After specifying the amount, you will need to select how you'd like to receive your funds. Etrade may offer several options, including direct deposit to your bank account or receiving a check in the mail. Choose the method that works best for you and fill out any necessary information that Etrade requests. Finally, review your withdrawal request to ensure that everything is accurate. Once you confirm, Etrade will process your request. Keep an eye on your email for a confirmation message and any updates regarding the status of your withdrawal. It is usually completed within a few business days, but it can vary depending on the method you selected.